you already have some driving experience but still need some work before you're ready to take your test? Your best option could be PassMeFast's 25-hour course. This is a longer course which is great for learners with some driving ability and who are confident in picking up new skills quickly. You'll build on your current knowledge and cover new ground, helping you get to test standard fast. This course is typically taken over 1 to 4 weeks and includes 24 hours of tuition with a local experienced DVSA approved instructor, a practical test which we'll book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could get your licence just weeks after booking. You can take this course at a fully intensive pace or have more space between lessons. Lessons fit around your schedule, with evening and weekend tuition available. We can even personalise the course to suit your needs, including adding a theory test. Just book online or over the phone, and we will do the hard work for you.